Pakistan J-10C is a modern multi-role fighter jet developed by China and operated by the Pakistan Air Force to enhance its aerial capabilities. It is equipped with advanced radar, avionics, and long-range missile systems, notably the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile VARAM. This 4.5 generation aircraft serves as a strategic counterbalance to regional threats, offering high agility, advanced firepower, and cutting-edge technology. 1. Engine: WS-10B turbofan engine. The J-10C is powered by the Chinese WS-10B turbofan engine, which replaced the earlier Russian UL-31FN in later production models. The WS-10B provides improved thrust and durability, enhancing the aircraft's overall performance, including better thrust-to-weight ratio, reliability, and fuel efficiency. This enables the J-10C to perform high-speed maneuvers and extended air patrol missions with ease. Some PAF variants may still retain the UL-31FN for logistical consistency. 2. Firepower and missiles featuring PL-15 VARAM. The J-10Ca's primary strength lies in its versatile weapons platform, which includes advanced Chinese air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. The standout missile is the PL-15, a next-generation active radar-guided VARAM with an estimated range exceeding 200 kilometers. It uses an active electronically scanned array SR radar seeker and two-way data link for real-time targeting. The J-10C can also carry PL-10 short-range IR missiles, anti-ship missiles, precision-guided bombs PGMs, and ground attack munitions. This diverse loadout makes it effective in both offensive and defensive roles. The PL-15 is a state-of-the-art long-range air-to-air missile designed by China to rival the US AIM-120D and Russia's A-37M. It is propelled by a dual-pulse solid-fuel motor and guided by SR radar, offering high kill probability against stealth aircraft, AWACS, and high-value aerial targets. Its estimated range of 200 to 300 km and data link capability enable it to strike targets that are beyond the visual and radar horizon, making it one of the most formidable BVRAMs in the world. It has a high resistance to countermeasures and is a core component of the J-10Ca's firepower. 3. Radar: KLJ-7A SR radar. The J-10C is equipped with the KLJ-7A active electronically scanned array SR radar, a significant upgrade from older mechanically scanned systems. This radar offers superior tracking of multiple targets, enhanced resistance to jamming, and long-range detection capabilities, up to 300 km depending on the target's radar cross-section. The KLJ-7A allows the J-10C to engage targets at extended ranges and guide missiles like the PL-15 with high precision. 4. Protection against SAMs and jamming. The J-10C incorporates a robust electronic warfare EW suite, including radar warning receivers RWR, digital jammers, and chaff flare dispensers. It is equipped to evade modern surface-to-air missiles SAMs and counter enemy radar lock-ons. Additionally, its SR radar offers better resistance to electronic jamming, and it features an internal ECM electronic countermeasures pod that enhances survivability during high-risk missions. 5. Price per unit. The unit cost of the J-10C is estimated to be around $25-35 million USD, depending on the configuration, systems, and support packages. This price makes it a cost-effective solution for countries like Pakistan seeking a modern multi-role fighter without the high costs associated with Western jets like the F-16 or Rafale. 6. History and production. The J-10 program began in the 1980s by China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation CAC with support from Israel and Russia. The J-10C is the most advanced variant of the series, first revealed in 2013 and inducted into the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAF in 2018. Production of the J-10C has scaled steadily, with hundreds in service in China. Pakistan became the first export customer under an accelerated acquisition program to counter India's Rafale jets. 7. In service Pakistan Air Force PAF. Pakistan officially inducted the J-10C into service in March 2022, branding it the Dragon from the East. The aircraft complements the JF-17 Thunder fleet and fills the gap left by aging F-7 and Mirage aircraft. Deployed with elite PAF squadrons, the J-10C significantly enhances Pakistan's ability to conduct beyond visual range combat, multi-role operations, and deterrence patrols across its eastern borders. Like and subscribe our channel, Gunpowder, for more exciting videos.